Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Cardano on Binance. Alright, it's easy to go about this if you have an account. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance of claiming 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account using that link. So guys, with a verified account, how can you buy the Cardano token? There are a couple of ways to go about this, so I'll be making them short. Your first step would be to click on Add Funds, and where we have Buy with USD, Buy USD P2P, Receive Deposit Crypto. Now, Cardano is usually traded against the US dollar, which is USDT if you're getting it in crypto. So where it says Buy with USD, you could simply buy using a bank transfer that's from your mobile app to Binance itself, or you could make a bank transfer using the P2P option. There is a P2P option here where you can send your local currency and receive cryptocurrency from people within your local area. Now, you could also receive the Cardano or USDT tokens from other Binance users when you click on Receive via Pay. So guys, any of these options that you're comfortable with if you don't have cryptocurrency assets can be used. But if you have cryptocurrency assets outside of Binance, you could simply click on Deposit Crypto and go ahead and deposit the USDT token here through any of the networks. The cheapest is always the Smart Chain, so you could copy your address and receive the cryptocurrency. That's the USDT or the Cardano. Now, in order to buy the Cardano, let's say you have some USDT. If maybe you used the buy options with P2P or your bank transfer, or you deposited it, all you need to do is head to the trade icon at the bottom of your screen. At the top, you'd find a toggle that has convert, spot, and margin. So click on spot. And where we have XRP USDT, click on it. So simply use the search icon to search for ADA. Click on ADA USDT. All right, so once you've selected ADA USDT, you're met with the option to buy via limit or market. Now, if you select market, it helps us buy the ADA tokens instantaneously at the price of the market without having to do any market analysis, any stop loss or take profits for this token. So all you need to do is just simply enter an amount of USDT you'd like to spend. Remember, we got ourselves some USDT using either the transfer option from our wallet, that's the spot to funding wallet, or the buy with US dollar, that's your credit card or a bank transfer or wire transfer. We also have the P2P and the deposit crypto option. So you can use this to get yourself some USDT to buy this token. All you need to do after getting your USDT is click on buy and it's completed. Now, if you head to the wallets, scroll from the overview to the spot of funding, you find the ADA token you've bought successfully on here. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.